In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check TikTok Shop orders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside the TikTok app to see your orders and confirm their status, so you can stay on top of your shop activity with confidence. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device using the account connected to your shop. From the main screen, head to your profile, which you'll find at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your account hub, where all your creator and shop tools live. At the top right of your profile, tap the three horizontal lines. This is your menu button, and it opens up a panel with additional tools and settings. In that menu, look for TikTok Studio and tap it. TikTok Studio is the central place for managing content and business tools, and it's where you'll access your shop features. Inside TikTok Studio, you'll typically see an option labeled TikTok Shop Seller. Tap that. This section is dedicated to sellers and gives you access to shop-specific features, including your order management. If this is your first time here, you'll be prompted to sign up or link your TikTok account. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign up with your TikTok account and confirm any necessary permissions. This simply connects your existing profile to the seller tools so your store data can be displayed correctly. Once you confirm, you'll be taken into the seller dashboard. From the seller dashboard, tap Orders. This is where you can check all of your TikTok Shop orders in one place. You'll see a list of orders along with key details like order numbers, dates, items, and current status. Common statuses may include pending, processing, shipped, completed, or cancelled, and they help you understand exactly where each order stands in the fulfillment process. The Orders page typically lets you view essential information at a glance, which is helpful for quick check-ins throughout the day. If you process a lot of orders, taking a moment here to scan for any pending or delayed statuses can help you stay proactive. And that's the full path. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines, choose TikTok Studio, select TikTok Shop Seller, sign up and confirm if prompted, and then tap Orders to view your TikTok Shop orders. If an option isn't visible, it may be related to regional availability or account eligibility, so checking the official TikTok resources can clarify what's supported for your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find and review your TikTok Shop orders whenever you need.